When it comes to making YouTube thumbnails that truly pop, you're not just designing an image, you're crafting your video's first impression. Thumbnails are the ultimate scroll stoppers, catching the eye and convincing viewers to click. It all starts with understanding your audience, what grabs their attention, what colors or images resonate, and what style feels familiar yet fresh. If you're making videos for a young crowd, vibrant colors and playful elements are your best friends. For professionals, crisp lines and bold, minimal text make a stronger impact. Quality is non-negotiable. Always use high-resolution images that stay sharp and clear across all devices. A blurry or pixelated thumbnail signals low effort. And on YouTube, first impressions are everything. Stick with the recommended size, 1280 by 720 pixels, in a 16:9 aspect ratio. This ensures your thumbnail looks flawless on any screen, from smartphones to smart TVs. Design with intention, use bold colors and high contrast to help your thumbnail stand out on a crowded feed. Highlight the main subject, whether it's a person, product, or striking visual, so viewers instantly know what your video's about. A clean, uncluttered background keeps the focus on what matters most, while a splash of well-chosen clip art can add personality and flair. Don't forget the power of text. A few impactful words, think 5 easy tips or must see, can instantly communicate your video's message. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts that remain legible on even the tiniest screens, and limit word count to avoid overwhelming viewers. Finally, experiment and refine your style. Use a quality thumbnail maker to streamline your process and keep your visuals consistent. With each new video, analyze what works and keep evolving. The right thumbnail doesn't just attract clicks, it fuels your channel's growth and sets you apart in the world of YouTube.